Hello friends, you are welcome to this channel. You very well know that cleaning or dusting your car is something you cannot avoid. So you are going to have a best solution on this, which is useful, informative and interesting. So keep watching. You must have said oh no many times while thinking about cleaning your car. Because you know how much time it takes even if you have to remove the dust only on the car's exterior. Sometimes it becomes tiresome too. So here is a car duster which you can use to clean your car in minutes, which magically lifts the dust without pushing it around. You can clean and remove the dust from your car without scratching or damaging your car's surface and paint. You can save water also. So get ready to see how to use Jopasu Car Duster effectively.
Hi guys, this is Rohan here from AutoZeal.com. Today I am showcasing you the Jopasu Duster, using which you can clean your car within few minutes itself. It's completely magic. Let me showcase you the product packaging first. So this is the box which it comes in. This is the protective cover in which you need to store your duster after you have used it. And this is how it comes. A brand new duster looks like. So let me open up the packaging and showcase it to you. And this is how a brand new duster looks like, all white, gleaming and shining new. So let me showcase it to you how to use this duster. First take it and give it a bit of a swirl like this to loosen up the strands and to lose dust if you're using it everyday basis. Always start from the top of the car. As you can see over here, the amount of dust we are having is pretty high. So take the duster, give it a some amount of swirls and simply glide it on top of the surface. No need to apply any pressure. There you go. It's getting cleaned without any effort. So always start from the top and progress down. Now let's clean the windows over here and the door side. So this is how this duster works. So you can see how easily it has cleaned the dust from there's nothing left now, all nice and clean. The secret to this is these strands. These are coated with paraffin wax and they are able to lift the dust without scratching the surface. That's the best thing of it. And using this you can save water on a daily basis. That's almost like 15 liters of water. More you use, the dirtier it gets, the better it works. Let me show you your duster which has been used for almost a year and how it works. So guys, as I said, so this is the duster which I have been using for almost a year. You can look at how grey it has become, the amount of dust and everything. This is the bonnet of the car. As again you can see the amount of dust we have over here. So let me just use this duster which is I've been using for almost a year and how it works. After every panel you finish off, like this is a big panel, take the duster and give it a swirl like this so it loses the dust which are there in it. Now again simply work it up and clean the panel. So as you can see, there is no dust or anything now, all cleaned. So now that you have seen the magic of this duster, I want you all to try this product out, use it on daily basis and try to save as much as water that is possible, because the water we are wasting every day, which is potable drinking water, and we wish to save it. Another thing to remember is do not use the duster on a wet surface, otherwise the paraffin wax coated will start to smudge on the surface. And this duster you can use on any surface, be it metal, glass, plastic. So go out there, try it out and let us know your feedback. Thank you so much.